In the unfathomable silence of deep space, where no planet spins and no sun shines, something moved. And it wasn't drifting aimlessly like space debris, nor dancing along the predictable path of a comet. No, this was movement with intent. Detected not by a cutting-edge AI satellite or a billion-dollar observatory, but by one of humanity's oldest and humblest messengers, Voyager 2. A spacecraft launched in the 1970s, now operating far beyond the edge of our solar system, had picked up something so strange, so utterly unexpected, that scientists are now questioning the very foundations of astrophysics. Because Voyager didn't merely observe a fluctuation. It captured an anomaly. An object or entity moving with a rhythm and intelligence that nature shouldn't possess in interstellar space. So, what exactly is it? A rogue anomaly? A new form of cosmic matter? Or could it be artificial? Let's dive into what Voyager 2 just detected and why this chilling discovery could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. Voyager 2's instruments are primitive by today's standards, analog-era relics floating through the digital age of space. Yet, it was precisely one of these instruments, the plasma wave detector, that caught the first trace of the anomaly. It began as a faint low-frequency pulse, followed by irregular flickers, sudden directional shifts, and eventually a sustained, patterned motion. Remarkably, this signal did not originate within the heliosphere, where solar winds and magnetic turbulence could create such disturbances. No, it came from the vast silence beyond the solar boundary, past the helipause, into interstellar space, a region expected to be flat, cold, and almost featureless. Detecting such a signal there is like hearing a whisper in the middle of an empty desert. Scientists quickly eliminated conventional explanations. No asteroid belts, no comets, no dust clouds, nothing could account for the observed behavior. Whatever Voyager 2 had detected was moving with apparent intent, altering direction and frequency in ways that suggested it might even be aware of Voyager itself. Deeper analysis revealed something even more unsettling. The signal appeared to respond to Voyager's orientation. When the probe shifted, the anomaly seemed to adjust, almost as if it recognized it was being observed. Its behavior resembled a probe or drone scanning its surroundings, rather than a drifting natural object. Yet, there is no known propulsion system capable of efficient movement in interstellar space. Chemical, solar, or nuclear propulsion would leave detectable traces, but none were found. This object altered its trajectory without leaving a measurable exhaust or radiation trail. Even more bizarre were the signal modulations. Unlike natural waves, which fluctuate according to predictable mechanics, this pattern exhibited timed intervals, bursts of energy followed by silence, then additional bursts with subtle differences, almost as if it were transmitting information, a cosmic Morse code, or perhaps something even stranger. Naturally, speculation about artificiality spread quickly among scientists. Could Voyager 2 have encountered an ancient construct drifting in the void? Or a technology so advanced it defies our understanding of physics and material science? One theory proposes it might even be a cloaked interstellar reconnaissance device, a sort of cosmic submarine silently observing passing ships like Voyager. Yet grounded theories also exist. Some astrophysicists suggest it could be a naturally occurring plasma formation that somehow developed a feedback loop, behaving almost like a rudimentary intelligence and responding to external electromagnetic fields. But even this explanation stretches the boundaries of modern physics. Whatever Voyager 2 saw, it does not fit within the catalog of known cosmic phenomena. This is the type of discovery that could force astrophysics textbooks to be rewritten. Location makes the anomaly even more intriguing. Voyager 2 is in one of the quietest known regions of space, the local interstellar cloud, where matter is so sparse that even a few atoms per cubic centimeter is considered dense. For something to move purposefully here implies either self-generated energy or manipulation of unknown interstellar currents. Its path was not straight, it curved, dipped, and paused, consistent with course corrections. If this were random turbulence, such refined behavior would be impossible. Some researchers now theorize Voyager may have crossed through a reactive, cosmic sensor field, a zone that triggers activity upon the arrival of an object. If so, Voyager didn't just observe, it may have activated it. As additional data arrived, a disturbing repetition emerged. Directional shifts and signal strengths followed clusters of prime numbers, 3, 5, 7. Initially dismissed as noise, deeper waveform analyses revealed harmonics consistent with structured transmission signals, resembling experimental quantum communication. This wasn't mere movement, it was movement in code. And in physics, when code appears where only chaos should exist, it implies intent. Something or someone is aware and possibly observing. Archival telemetry added another layer of mystery. Comparing Voyager 2's readings with those from New Horizons and Pioneer 10 revealed subtle anomalies lining up across decades. Unexplained sensor glitches, trajectory drifts, and other phenomena now appeared in context. Perhaps this object has been following us silently, staying just beyond detection, only revealing itself now for reasons unknown. On day 49 of continuous monitoring, the anomaly performed a breathtaking sequence. It stopped abruptly, not decelerating but halting as if acknowledging it had been seen. Over 17 hours, it executed micro-movements forming a tight spiral, similar to patterns used to stabilize orbiting observatories. For engineers and physicists, this suggested calibration, as if the object were adjusting its position relative to Voyager or another unseen presence. A sharp spike in low-frequency radiation followed, triggering Voyager's legacy safety protocols. The probe realigned, and the signal ceased. Some theorists now suggest the object was attempting communication, and Voyager unknowingly responded. Speculation runs wild. Some researchers favor a natural explanation, an exotic interstellar particle cloud, a new plasma phenomenon. But a growing faction considers a more extraordinary scenario. The object could be a sentient interstellar construct, a gatekeeper, monitoring movement through this sector of the galaxy. The adaptive patterns, bursts, and trajectory adjustments resemble surveillance behavior. Some even liken it to theoretical von Neumann probes, machines designed to observe civilizations as they evolved technologically. If true, the implications are staggering. Humanity has been observed longer than we realized, and Voyager 2 may have just crossed a threshold. So, what did Voyager 2 witness? A drifting anomaly with unexplained intelligence? A cloaked probe lost in the void? Or something far more deliberate, a watcher, a sentry, a sentinel placed to monitor travelers at the edge of cosmic territory? For decades, Voyager has been humanity's lone ambassador in deep space, drifting like a message in a bottle. But now, it seems, the message may have been received, and the response is in motion. This is more than a strange anomaly. It's a paradigm shift, a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. It is a reminder that, despite all our satellites and science, we are still walking in the cosmic dark. And now, something in that darkness has turned to look at us. If Voyager 2 has indeed made contact with an interstellar intelligence, the silence of space is no longer guaranteed. The question is no longer what we have found, but what comes next. What does the universe intend to reveal? What will humanity do with this knowledge? Space has blinked back, and the void is no longer indifferent. If this revelation shook your perception of reality, hit that like button. Subscribe for more discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew about the cosmos, and turn on notifications. The universe is no longer ignoring us, and the next message could arrive at any moment.